Hello everyone, I hope you all are well and having a good day so far. Today I want to give you guys a review of this Black & Decker vacuum and wash duo. I know right now we are in a world flooded with cleaning gadgets, some of which go viral on social media. Maybe they are good or maybe just a big influencer shared them, but it can be hard to figure out what's worth the hype and what isn't. Now that I've used this machine for a couple of weeks and I got to compare it to other cleaners I have, like the Bissell Crosswave and the Tiinco, I am surprised because I feel like more people should be talking about this because it's really one of the best and it is the most affordable vac and mop option I've seen on the market in a really long time. But in all fairness, it is kind of a new release, but still I want more people to be talking about it. That's why I am so grateful to be teaming up with Black & Decker on today's video, and I am excited to share what I learned about this mop with you all. So before we get started on today's video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel down below, hit that thumbs up, and with all of that said, let's get to it. Alright guys, so like I said, this is a wet and dry vacuum cleaner. So it sucks up dirt and debris while also mopping hard floors with a constant supply of fresh water and a cleaning solution. Now the fresh water comes from the machine's fresh water tank that is located in the front here. And to remove it, you can just press on the blue release button and pull it away from the machine. And when you are mopping in the same bath, the machine sucks up the used water into a separate dirty water tank that is located down here. And you can remove it by pressing down on the blue release button. And inside here we have a HEPA filter that efficiently captures allergens, dust, and pet hair to ensure cleaner air quality. And it works with a soft brush roller that is down here. To remove it, you can simply just pull down on the left handle of the roller. So it came with a soft roller for hard floors, and it also came with this bristle roller for cleaning area rugs and low-pile carpets. And it came with some extra brushes to help you clean and maintain the dirty water tank and filter. And it came with some cleaning tablet samples. Now you can purchase more or you can just use any floor cleaner that doesn't have foam. And lastly, it came with a docking station that has to be plugged in so the machine charges automatically when you place it on top for easy storage. Now this is something you would keep in the laundry room or bathroom next to an outlet and you just leave it plugged in. Now the only thing that bothers me is that it doesn't have storage for the extra accessories, so maybe you can just dedicate a small bin or basket for the extra brushes and just leave it next to it. Now I want to talk about some features I really want to highlight on this machine. So first of all, it is cordless, which is absolutely a plus. It has a very impressive battery life. It gives you about 25 minutes of runtime. And it's actually very lightweight, so it's incredibly easy to move and handle, especially up and down the stairs. And it has 3 cleaning modes. So for cleaning with water and mopping, it has Eco mode and Max mode. On the handle here, it has the power button and it has this button to switch through the modes. And what I love most about this machine is that it has a dry vacuum only mode. I have more expensive machines like my Tiinco and it doesn't have that option. My Tiinco, it can only clean with water. But with this machine, I can actually dry vacuum my carpets and area rugs and then switch to mopping and clean my hard floors all in one machine. And unlike my Bissell Crosswave, when I'm mopping, the water flow is automatic, so I don't have to press and hold down on trigger button to dispense water, which is fantastic. And here on the LED display, you get to see the battery level, and it also gives you visual alerts for brush roll tangles. It will also let you know when the dirty water tank is full or when the clean water tank is empty. And as far as for edge cleaning and corners, this machine, just like my Tiinco, it has a soft roller brush that goes all the way to the edge on the right side, making it possible to clean along baseboards and cabinets without leaving a strip of dirty floor behind. And lastly, the hands-free self-cleaning function is awesome because it automatically flushes the inner tubing and cleans the roller brush. So all you have to do is empty the dirty water tank when it's done and just rinse out all the removable parts and set them aside so they can dry for 24 hours. So I know you still have to do a little bit of work after you're done using the machine, but it is very minimal and it's kind of the same for all these types of cleaners. Now let me show you guys how easy it is to use. So start by filling up the water tank with fresh water. Now drop a tablet in, let it fizz for a second, and you are on your way. Just place the water tank back on the machine. Now when you power the machine on, you can select the mode you want. I'm going to select dry vacuum only mode. Even though we have water here, we're going to do dry vacuum first. For the first test, I have put down here some dry split peas, and I'm going to show you guys how good it picks up on carpet. As you can see, it had no problem cleaning that up. It picked up everything and it's all in here now. So let's dump it out. For the final test, we're going to do some wet cleaning. And for this mess, we put down some maple syrup. It's very much dry now. And I also put down some lentils. And I'm going to start on eco mode. If I need it to work a little harder, I'm going to switch into max mode. Alright guys, it's actually working pretty well, but I had to switch to max mode because the maple syrup was really dry and stuck on the tile. But once I switched to max mode, it really took care of it. And I really like how this machine works. It doesn't leave the tiles soaking wet, unlike traditional mops. Alright guys, overall I am very impressed with this machine. It's crazy how much it cleans off my floors that seem clean. And the best part is you get this machine and all these amazing features at a very affordable price. This machine costs only $1.99, which makes it super affordable when compared against other options with the same capability. Trust me, as someone who takes cleaning her house seriously, this multi-surface cleaner has been a game changer in my household. Its versatility in both vacuuming and mopping multiple surfaces all at once is just so impressive because it saves me time and effort by combining both tasks in one. So if you would like to spend less time cleaning your floors and you want one machine that can do it all for you, this is one of the best on the market right now. And again, for $1.99, you're not only getting the dual functionality, but you also get the HEPA filter, the extra accessories, as well as a 2-year warranty, which makes it a valuable investment for maintaining a pristine living space. But that's all I got for you guys today. I really hope that you all enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please thumbs it up, consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.